Now, we have gone through what are the desirable properties of the refrigerant itself. But I also mentioned that no refrigerator, no single refrigerator have the capacity to hold all these properties for them. They have certain advantages, they have certain disadvantages, and you have to select according to your requirement, and you have to select according to their disadvantages, which you don't want. Now, there are two types of, again, there is then the classification of refrigerant. How we can classify the refrigerants? What is the basis? There are two types, primary refrigerants and secondary refrigerants. Now, what is the primary or what is the secondary? What is the difference between them? The refrigerants which are directly takes part in the refrigerant system is called primary refrigerant, while the refrigerants which are first cooled by primary refrigerant and then used for cooling purposes is known as secondary refrigerant itself. The primary are finally classified into four types: halocarbon, organic, azeotropic means mixed, inorganic refrigerant like ammonia, sulfur, etc., and hydrocarbon refrigerant like this. Now, what is the difference between primary and secondary refrigerant? Primary and secondary refrigerant. What are the primary? It can be directly used. What is secondary? It is not directly used. It is first cooled by primary refrigerant, then it is used for circulating in the evaporator circuit to cool it. Which are primary and which are necessary, we'll try to convince, like understand, but mainly the brine water, salt water is used, is used as secondary refrigerant. Let us go for the other classifications. Now, there are four basic types: halocarbon, organic refrigerant. It doesn't have required hydrogen, contain hydrogen, azeotropic mixed type means different refrigerants are mixed. Refrigerants are mixed. Inorganic like sulfur, SO2, CO2, hydrocarbon, which contains carbon and hydrogen. Now, what is the halocarbon represents, which comes under this picture itself? The American Society of Heating refrigerant air conditioning engineers identify 42 halocarbon compounds, which as represent, but only 3 of them are used, around 15 to 60. They are commonly used as like this: R1, 12, R11, 12, 13, 14, say 21, 22, 23, 40, etc. And next R100, R114, R23, R34, etc. It is 134B. So specialty is here. Every refrigerant is named with R and following a number. Now, these halocarbons are mostly all synthetically produced. They are not natural. They are available in Freon family of refrigerants. This Freon family called Freon is a registered trademark. It is a registered trademark, Freon, of DuPont, Dumers, and Dumers. These companies like this. Most of the halocarbon refrigerants are available from other manufacturers also, but with various status plus Geneton, Locton, etc. The first of the halocarbon is ARC12, developed by Thomas Nigley. The various alkyl refrigerants are discussed as below. So, it is developed from family of refrigerant. It is produced as developed as Freon family of refrigerant, and Freon is a registered trademark of DuPont and DuPont Dumers and Company. Halocarbon refrigerants are obtained from manufactured by DuPont as Freon family of compounds. It is given by the term R and positive number like 14, 15, 16 like this. And other refrigerants have refrigerants with from different company, from other companies, have different numbers. Now, what are the different halocarbon refrigerants and what are their properties? Say R11. There's a big name, tetrachloromethane, or methane must be there because it is a methane family. Tetramonochrome. There is tetrachloride, means Cl3 is there as well as carbon, and monofluoride means there is only one fluorine molecule present. So carbon, Cl3, fluorine, and fluorine. It is a systematic chemical product used as refrigerant, stable, non-flammable, and non-extinct. So it is considered to be a low pressure refrigerant. Its low pressure side is around 0.02 bar, 0.202 bar at minus 56 degrees centigrade and high pressure 1.260 bar for 30 degrees centigrade. So minus 23, 15 and plus 30 degrees is the higher, lower and higher temperature of using this refrigerant. And latent heat is 15, minus 50 is 975, not very high, 195 kilojoule per kg. Boiling point is 23 at atmosphere 23.77 degrees centigrade. So it's a low operating process pressures. This refrigerant is exclusively used for large centrifugal compression system of 20 ton and 20 ton and above. The leaks can be detected by using a soap solution. There is no such color inside it, but using a soap solution over the different joints to see is there any bubble comes out. So find out whether what is the lubricant itself. Next, it is also used as a flushing agent for cleaning the internal parts of a refrigerator compressor by overhauling system. That is usable after a system at a motor burnout or it has a great deal of moisture in the system, then flushing the moisture from the system with the RE11, evacuation time is shortened. So RE11 is one of the safest cleaning solvents that can be used for this purpose. So it's low temperature refrigerant and non-flammable, non-toxic and stable, and low pressure and temperature refrigerant. It is low temperature and pressure refrigerant. Also used as the solvent, cleaning solvent itself. Next, R12, dichloromethane, means fluorine is two molecules and fluorine is two molecules. So dichloro and methane. Methane is given there as it is of the methane family. And we have the carbon as it is a halocarbon reserve. It is the R12 is a popular. It is a colorless, almost odorless liquid between boiling point of minus 29 degrees centigrade at atmospheric pressure. It is non-toxic, non-corrosive, non-irritating, and non-flammable. Means there is no bad effect on human body. It is not corroding onto the machine parts and not irritating, not etched by if you put on your skin, and it is not inflammable. It cannot be burned into flames. But it has relatively low latent heat and advantages small refrigerating machines of small capacity, but for large amount of refrigerant circulated will permit use of less sensitive and more positive operating and regulating mechanisms. Now, it offers low back but positive head and back pressure with a good volumetric efficiency. The amount of volumetric efficiency, amount of this refrigerant or fluid which you are delivering by compressor in comparison to its total solid volume itself. It is 100% means full solid volume of refrigerant is being ejected. If it is not that, it is less than that. Nearly never, it is around 80%. Just so volumetric, 80% is the volumetric of a good compression system. Now, this R12 is used as defined into industrial commercial purpose such as say refrigerator, freezers, water coolers, room and air conditioners and so. Its practical principal use found in reciprocating and rotary compressors, but its use in centrifugal compressor for large air compression is increasing slowly. What's its pressure? Its boiling point is at 0.82 bars as minus 50 degrees centigrade is the boiling lower pressure and lower temperature of this R12 refrigerant, and 6.4 bar and 30 degrees centigrade is the higher temperature of the bar refrigerant. Latent heat at lower temperature minus 50 degrees is 159 kilojoule per kg, which is not at all very high, so that it cannot draw more than 159 kilojoule per kg refrigerants per kg of refrigerant. The leakage, it don't have any color is it? It is detected by soap solution by producing the soap solution over the joints or susceptible points where the leakage may take place, where it by the bubble forms, and there is a leakage is there. Now, water is only it is only soluble value is R12 at 18 degrees centigrade, and it will hold 6 parts of million of mass. The solution formed by very lightly corrosive. It is slightly corrosive any of the common metals used in the refrigerant system. The addition metals, all the refrigerant has no effect of the carbon position. So it is comparatively low but solid with some extremely small corrosion effect over the metal itself. It is more critical to moisture content when compared to R22 and R502. It is soluble in oil down to minus 68 degrees centigrade. The oil will begin to operate at this temperature, and due to lightness than the refrigerant, it will collect on the surface of the liquid refrigerant. The refrigerant is available in a variety of cylinder size and cylinder color. Code is available here. It is the refrigerant cylinders look like our LPG cylinders. Only difference is the color itself. LPG cylinders are always red, but where other this is more or less white, and this is it is silver color itself. Next, at 13, monochlorotrifluoroethane. Monochlorotrifluoroethane. That is ClF3. Trifluoro means that is 3 molecules of chlorine, and monochloro. So chlorine molecule is only 1. This is R13. It is methane is all right because methane is the family name. R13 is the boiling temperature at minus 14 degrees centigrade. It is less than 0 degrees centigrade atmospheric pressure, critical pressure temperature of plus 28.8 degrees C. This is used for low temperature side of the cascade system, soluble with reciprocating compression. So it is flue space. Boiling points and critical temperature and pressure is too less, so it is used for the low temperature refrigerant system. That is R13. Next, R14, carbon tetrafluoride. Only carbon and fluorine is there, no chlorine. So this CF4, the R14 is a boiling temperature of minus 28 degrees centigrade at atmospheric pressure and critical temperature of minus 45.5 degrees centigrade. It serves as the ultra low temperature refrigerant and for use in the cascade systems. Next, R21, dichloromonofluoromethane, CHCl2A. This R21 is the boiling temperature at 9 degrees centigrade atmosphere, 9 degrees centigrade atmospheric pressure. It is found its principal use in centrifugal compressor system for relatively high temperature refrigerant requirement. Next comes R22. R22 is the man-made refrigerant developed for refrigerant installations and that needed low evaporating temperature. It is freezing units with mentions the temperature minus 29 degrees centigrade at to minus 40 degrees centigrade. It is also successfully used in air conditioning and in household refrigerant itself. The boiling point R22 is minus 49 degrees centigrade in atmospheric pressure. At this temperature, at latent heat of 1,2.6 at minus 50 degrees centigrade, its normal head pressure is 30 degrees centigrade in 22 bars. But this refrigerant, just 1 second. And the refrigerant is stable, is non-toxic, non-corrosive, non-irritating, and non-flammable. The evaporator system refrigerant is at minus 50 degrees centigrade and 1.92 bar. Since water mixtures R22 men R12 by a therefore big dryers which should be used to remove the moisture to keep water minimum. The refrigerant has good solubility oil in -9 degrees centigrade. However, the oil remains fluid enough to flow even the suction light at temperature as low as -40 degrees centigrade itself. The oil will then begin to operate at this point. Since oil is lighter, therefore it will be collect on the surface of the liquid refrigerant itself. The leaks can be detected with a soap solution, even the process is same. A halide torch with an electronic leak detector. Cylinder color code is for green. R30, monoethylene chloride. R30 methylene chloride, CH3Cl3. The R30 is a clear white liquid with a sweet, non-irritating color similar to that of the chloroform itself. It has a boiling point of 39.8 degrees centigrade, and at atmospheric pressure, it is non-flammable, non-explosive, and non-toxic. Due to high boiling point is around 39.8 degrees centigrade. This is a high boiling point. It is refrigerant may be used in a closed can instead of a compressed gas cylinder. Can be stored in a closed can. Now, the high and low volume of size of the refrigerant is still using R30 operates under a vacuum. Since the volume of vapor at oxidation conditions are very high, therefore the use of R30 is restricted by to rotary or centrifugal compressors. These refrigerants are extensively used for air conditioning of theatres, auditoriums, and office buildings. Nowadays, the refrigerant R11 is also replaced R30. In order to detect leaks in a system using R30, the pressure must be increased above the atmosphere. Next, R40, methyl chloride. It was methylene chloride, is methyl chloride. The R40 is the colorless liquid with faint, sweet, non-irritating color itself. A boiling point is -23.7 degrees centigrade, and usual condenser pressure is around 5 to 6.8 bar. The latent vaporization at 15 degrees centigrade means at the lower point, at the lower temperature is around 423.5 kilojoule per kg. It is inflammable and explosive when mixed with air in concentration from R 8.1 to 17.2%. This refrigerant is non-corrosive in its pure state, but becomes corrosive in presence of moisture. Aluminium, zinc, and aluminum roller should never be used with the refrigerant, as they will corrode and ultimately considerably and pollute the lubricating oil. Since the refrigerant R40 is a solvent for many materials and used in the ordinary refrigeration pressure, therefore rubber and gaskets containing rubber never be used. It can be used in domestic unit for both refrigerating and rotary compressors, and in commercial unit, the refrigerating compressors used by a approximately 10 ton capacity. The leaks of the R12 can be detected as by any solution or electronic leak solution itself. R130, R100. ethyl chloride, C2H2SL. This R100 is a colorless liquid and in many respects is smaller to R40 methyl chloride, but with low operating pressures. This is a boiling point of 13.1 at atmospheric pressure. It's both toxic and flammable. So due to this low operating pressure, it's not used in refrigerant equipment. R130, trichloroethane, CCl2, FCCl, F2 or Cl2, F3. The R113 has a boiling point of 47.6 and atmospheric pressure. It is used to commercial and industrial air conditioning with centrifugal compressor system. Since this condition refrigerant has the advantage of remaining liquid and at room temperature pressure, it can be carried out in steel cans rather than cylinders itself. Next, R114, dichlorotetrafluoroethane, CClF3ClF2. R114 has a boiling point of 3.6. At atmospheric pressure, at minus 15 degrees evaporator pressure of 0.54 bar. At plus 30 degrees centigrade condenser pressure of 1.5 bar. This latent heat of evaporation at part 50 at minus 15 degrees centigrade is 143 kilojoule per kg. This is non-toxic, non-explosive, non-corrosive, even in the presence of water itself. It is useful in frictional power household refrigerator system and drinking water colors employing rotary vane tire compression. R123 trichloromethane. The R123 is a potential substitute to R11. It is about 4.3 degrees centigrade higher boiling point than R11. It is therefore a lower pressure replacement of R12. Thus, having higher specific volume of suction vapor pairs it is to use 10 to 15 reduction in capacity. R134A, trifluoroethylene ethane. This is methane, but this is ethane. The R134 is considered to be the most preferred substitute for refrigerant R12, which is used in our departmental refrigeration system. Its boiling point is minus 23.15 degrees centigrade, which is quite close to the boiling for R12, which is 20 degrees centigrade atmospheric pressure. Since the refrigerant R144 has no chlorine atom. You see, there is only chlorine and carbon, hydrogen, and fluorine, again fluorine atoms. Therefore, this refrigerant has zero ozone depleting effect, potential ODP. Ozone depleting position means ODP, ozone depleting position. ODP, ozone ozone depleting potential. Ozone depleting potential, ODP, and this and has global warming potential 75% is equal to 0%, and GTP is the global warming potential, GWP, global warming is the global warming potential as compared to earthquake, which has lower suction pressure and large suction vapor volume. It is not soluble in mineral oil, hence for use of domestic refrigerator with hermetic units suitable for synthetic oil polymer based, it is used. Care should be taken here to prevent moisture from getting into the refrigerant system. For using the existing R12 refrigerating compressors, it should require either an average increase in compression speed of 5 to 8% or an equivalent increase in cylinder volume. Since the molecules of R34 are smaller than R12, so very sensitive leak detector is used to detect leaks. R34A is nowadays widely used in air conditioners, car air conditioning system, air condition. R152 trichloroethane is Cl3CHF3. The R152 has a similar characteristic as R134A, except R152 has a slight vacuum in the evaporator at minus 25 degrees centigrade. And the discharge temperature is higher because of its high value in the ratio of specific heat itself, specific heat gamma. Next comes the azeotrope refrigerant. It refers to a suitable mixture of refrigerant whose vapor and liquid phases remains identical. Recast phase and liquid phase remain identical over a wide range of temperatures. However, these mixtures usually have properties that differ from other their components. So, what is azeotrope refrigerant? Now, azeotrope refrigerant, azeotrope refrigerant. It is a stable mixture. A stable mixture of refrigerant. It is a stable mixture of refrigerant and whose vapor and liquid phases, whose vapor phase and liquid phase means the temperature and pressure for vaporizing. Temperature pressure for vaporizing. So that vaporizing as well as condensing. If they are the more or less same phase, they can be mixed together to get a additional quality, but they impart this mixture of refrigerants creates different properties create different properties than their constituents. Next step comes here. What you are having, the refrigerant is under R500, 500, R502, R503, and 504. As it is R, it is of DuPont. This is a manufacturer. And 500, 502, 3, 4, it is a refrigerant number as presented by R. Clearly, what is the constituent? 73% of R12 and 36 for R52, 152, R22, and more or less 50 equal R115, 40% R13, R59.9, and for BR04, 48.3, R32, and 51.85%. The formula clearly tells us that individual formula R12 and R152, R22, 142, like this. It's R100, R500. It is the azeotropic mixture. It is the azeotropic mixture of 73% of R12 and 26% of R152. This is non-favorable. What is it gets? Non-favorable, low toxic, no corrosion. Both industrial commercial purposes is visible. Actually, refrigerant offers 20% greater refrigerating efficiency than R12 for sensor motor. The refrigerator pressure of this refrigerant is 134 and minus 60 degrees Celsius, and condensing temperature is 170 kbar and at 30 degrees centigrade. It has a boiling point of minus 30 degrees centigrade at commercial value component, and its latent heat is at minus 50 degrees at degrees is 192 kilojoule per kg. This can be used whenever a higher temperature capacity, higher capacity than that obtained with R12 is needed. The suitability of water in R500 is highly critical. It has fairly high soluble with oil. Leakage amount may be detected by using the soap solution itself. Soap solution, a halide torch, a halide torch, and an electronic lubricator or a computer or commercial testing region. The servicing observation using the refrigerant does not form a part of any unusual problem. This white is quite, water is quite as so, and it is in this refrigerant. It is a necessary to keep moist for the system, and but careful dehydration, and by using dryers, the cylinder color code for the refrigeration is yellow. Then comes R152. This is isotopic mixture of 48% R22 and 51.2% R150. It is non-flammable, non-corrosive, and practically non-toxic. And practically non-toxic liquid. It is the refrigerant for obtaining medium and low temperatures. It is suitable where temperature minus 80 degrees centigrade to minus 51 degrees centigrade are needed. It is often used in frozen food lockers, frozen food processing plant, frozen food display cases, and in storage units for frozen food and ice cream. It is only used for reciprocating compression. The boiling point of this refrigerant at atmospheric pressure is minus 46 degrees centigrade, and its evaporating pressure at minus 15 degrees centigrade is 20.4 bar, and condensing pressure at 30 degrees is 12.06 bar, and its latent heat is minus 29.2 29 degrees centigrade is 168.6 kilojoule per kg. This R502 conveys many of the good properties of R12 and R22. It keeps the meshing capacity equal to that of R22 with just above the complete condensing pressure of the existing using R12. Since this refrigerant has relatively low condensing pressure, therefore, increase of life of compression in other parts is increases. Better purification is possible because of the increased velocity of the oil at low condensing temperature. This refrigerant has all liquidity qualities found in other halogenated fluorocarbon. It is non-static, non-flammable, non-irritating, stable, and non-corrosive. Leaks may be detected by soap solution, halide torch, etc. This holds 1.5 times more moisture at 80 degrees centigrade than R12. It has relatively a fairly stable oil above 15 degrees centigrade, 82 degrees centigrade, because below this temperature, the oil tries separate and tends to collect on the surface of the liquid refrigerant. However, the oil is carried black to the compression and temperature down to minus 40 degrees centigrade. Special devices are sometimes used to return the oil to the compression. Further color code this refrigerant is off rich.